Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in DU SIM application. So in order to do it, first of all, we'll have to download and install the DU app from Google Play Store or App Store. So in order to do it, you need to simply open your app, whether it is Google Play Store or App Store, and here you will have to simply search for DU. Now once you search for it, you will find the second telecom application, so you will have to simply tap on that and its icon will look something like this. So you need to install it in your device, and once it is installed successfully, you will have to tap on the open button in order to open it. Now over here you will see the login option, and you can even sign in with the help of your UAE pass. So if you have already the account on DU, you can just log in into your account with the help of UAE pass, or you can even log in with the help of OTP. But since you want to register, you will have to tap on the sign up option, and then it will redirect you in your web browser, where you will have to simply provide your phone number. That should be your DU SIM number. Now you may be asked to enter some of your personal information as well. So the app may send the verification code to your phone number, which you will need to enter to complete the registration. Now once the registration is completed, you can then log in into your app using your phone number or other credentials. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.